A normal day, nothing dramatic, just a phone screen lighting up. But this time, it's not a message from them, it's silence. That's how betrayal starts. Quiet. At first, you don't even realize it's happening. He trusted them, laughed with them, made plans with them. We'll make it together, bro. I got you no matter what. That's what they said. But betrayal never comes from enemies. One day they stopped texting back, started hanging out without him, started winning without him. They didn't just leave him out, they left him behind. His mind started questioning, how could they just throw me away like this? Is there something wrong with me? Did I do something to them? But tomorrow turns into next week. Next week turns into never. And just like that, you realize the people you thought would stay, they're gone. Heart heavy, eyes burning, crying in private. Because you don't just miss the friendship, you miss who you were when you trusted them. But here's the part no one tells you. Betrayal feels like they broke you, but sometimes they just set you free. What happens next? That's where the real story begins. That boy, he stopped chasing, stopped checking his phone, stopped waiting for an apology that wasn't coming. He started healing, started building, quietly, silently, with no need to prove anything, except to himself. If someone betrayed you, get up, wipe your tears, and you start focusing on the one person who's never leaving you. You stop chasing people who don't see your worth. You stop begging for love that should have been given freely. You stop explaining yourself to people who never cared to understand. Don't hate them. Don't chase them. Thank them. Because they just gave you the best gift, a chance to level up without them. Subscribe to Bravery in Ruins for more stories.